Just gonna come for the camera.
Puppy! Come here. Come say hi.
Come on.
How do you, yeah. Okay.
She wants the sunshade.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so we are at Jack's house with the boys. And
Nap time?
Brittany and Akira. So Jack is Damien is working on Jack's car, and I am doing my boost control solenoid. So plan is maybe get Jack's car running today, and most likely get my car boosting harder than 8 pounds today. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead. I've already started setting up my boost control solenoid. So this is for the AEM True Boost. This bad boy goes in here somewhere, and then the vacuum line right here that goes from my wastegate to my intake, it just gets cut, and yeah. So yeah, it'll be good. Hopefully it goes smooth. That's all I want. So we'll get set up here and figure out what we're doing.
Broken. I just wanted to see. It's not. The fuel pump signal's not in there yet. So.
Okay.
But technically, I mean, unless it absolutely needs the start signal, there we go.
How do you feel about that, Jack?
I'm pretty happy.
Right on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is this it?
Yeah.
Is this it?
How you feeling, Damien?
That doesn't mean anything, so.
True. So yeah, this shit turns over, but we're still skeptical as if it's gonna actually work or not.
Yeah.
I didn't realize how much stuff I have running through this grommet. I have my 2 battery wires, ECU, vacuum port, vacuum line, a bunch of other stuff. It's good. So right now, wires, boost gauge, they are going through here. This guy right here is probably really hard to see, but up here, there's a grommet, so I'm shoving these through there, and then we'll wire it to the gauge, which then wires to the boost control solenoid, which then goes in the vacuum line, and then we're done. It's simple as that.
Send that, boy.
It's already been wired in and everything, so. Alright, did the wires actually come through with that?
There's nothing in there.
No, they're down there.
Way down there.
They could be like anywhere.
That's what she said.
Oh no, they're right there. Minty. Okay, well one of them's right there. I can't see the black one. Update, just trying to figure out where to mount the boost control solenoid right now. Here, come over here. Come check out my motor. My messy engine bay.
Yo, sick KA, dude.
Okay, so basically these split this line. I already explained that. So I'm thinking I'm gonna mount it like right here, and then have the line go to here, and then this one go to the turbo. Pretty simple. And then I just have to wire to these, and then wire to the boost gauge in the. Yeah, I gotta.
And then you will go.
Stuff.
Yeah, there's so
Look
much.
at all this stuff.
This. Okay, hold on. We didn't really show it, but come look at this grommet now. Like, look how much shiznit is going through it.
Oh my goodness.
What? I gotta throw like a pop can or something around this so that this doesn't rub on it.
That one's pretty nice.
Ouch.
Oh, the rust.
Yeah, it's a big ol' ouch. I like how it's already all marked though, like.
Yeah, Freddy. It's fully machined and polished inside, so that's alright.
It's just like eBay special?
Yep.
Nice.
Doesn't
is
matter.
your game
It's the
in
same
mission?
thing.
We'll see. So, very janky, but it works. So, boost control solenoid to janky wiring into the car. So now I'm just gonna wire into the boost gauge, and then the vacuum line that comes off the back of the boost gauge right there is gonna go to the vacuum line that's on the ECU. And then Jack is now almost very close to starting, I believe. So we'll update on everything right now. Poppy Scout here. Yeah, you like it.
Big stress. Is it playtime? Don't even get me in the video doing this, please. Come on, God. I don't want anything to do with
I'll
I don't want
just put a can over you.
this.
I'll put a monster can over you.
I don't want anything to do with this.
Hi, Kira.
Last weekend. Yeah. Where's that deck?
No, man, this is going. Go, this needs a sister.
I already said that. I've been looking at the SPCA website. I found a pig.
A pig?
Is fuel pump plugged in?
No.
Oh. Well, why wouldn't you check that?
I didn't think about that.
Come on, Jack. Get with the program.
Jack, sometimes you have a brain, 90% of the time you don't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
After they took out the fuel pump.
Give me a second. I'm gonna turn it over and see if fuel comes out.
What's that?
Hold it.
Yeah.
Hold it.
Ah!
Oh my god, Jack, I hear the relay just freaking out.
Go.
Tight with your finger, down on the contact.
It doesn't matter, you're not gonna shock yourself.
Yeah, it's not gonna shock you. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Doesn't work. Anyway, show's
Nope.
over.
Yeah.
Bye.
See ya!
Jack, would you mind explaining what's going on here?
No. Don't worry about it.
What on earth? It's a lid.
Don't worry about it.
It's actually a lid.
No, for the one he's doing right now.
Unbelievable. Oh, fuck, dude.
Where's the rest of the wiring?
Where's the rest of the wiring?
What? The wire for your fuel pump is
Not there.
the fuel pump wiring is there, like to the actual fuel pump, but
What?
Why is it gone? What the?
I don't like this car anymore.
Okay, I need a 10 mil. Hey, the fuel pump's not turning on. Let me go see the signal back there. The harness is just completely MIA. Okay, I need a 10 mil right now.
Unbelievable. Look at the rest of this thing. Oh my good god.
They put the cover back on, so clearly this is intentional. Watch me take this cover off, and the wiring is like just spliced up.
Watch there not be a fuel pump in there.
This is pretty fun. Can't wait to see what we're gonna find under here.
I hope it's perfectly fine because I don't think I can handle anymore.
And hopefully the harness is just chilling back there. I see some random wiring doing absolutely nothing. Well, that's nice. That's a good start right there.
No.
That's the plug.
Chopped.
The wiring's connected, so it has to be hooked up to this. The fuel lines aren't even connected over here. You know what that means, right?
Huh.
I guarantee there's no fuel pump in here.
Uh-oh.
I'm willing to put money on there being no fuel pump back there.
Why didn't you check this, Jack? Why?
Oh, I figured it'd be fine.
Why didn't you spend the 15 minutes to check to see if there's a fuel pump there? And everybody's here now.
Yeah.
to roast you.
Yeah.
What were their plans with this car before? Did you ever find out?
Part it out.
I don't know.
Parted out is like very likely. Alright, so money on whether it has a...
No pump.
Yeah, place your bets.
No
No
pump.
pump in there.
I got
So
it.
no
Yes, no
pump.
pump.
We got Brandon with
No
Alright.
pump.
Damien already knows.
Who thinks there's no pump?
I think there's no pump.
There's no pump.
Just
no
pull it
pump.
out.
I'm saying no
I
pump.
can't handle this anymore.
There's a pump.
There's a pump? No pump.
Oh, no pump.
Oh, no pump.
Alright, Jack.
Okay, Lord Co.
Okay, so we are gonna test it out now. And we have power. I mean, we already know this is gonna work. I'm not gonna start it yet, but so that's off duty, 0, and that's just doing whatever it wants. All right, now we just need to go through the whole setup menu, which is an absolute pain. It'll do it between here, ready? Watch that.
Fuel looked fine.
It's actually
Alright, Jack, give me a play-by-play. What's going on?
So we're draining the old fuel in preparation for a start.
You mean after we found out there was no fuel pump in the car?
Yeah, after that was yeah.
No fuel pump and no fuel pump wiring. No fuel sending unit.
Shut up.
Damien, you want to keep listing them off? What else are we missing?
Holy a hood, a bumper, literally half the electrical connectors, like half the screws on the car. A bunch of the vacuum lines aren't connected.
This is pretty sick, though. Like,
Passenger seat, for God's sake.
look at this. Just throwing across the engine right now.
We need that. That's temporary.
Gas is in this.
This car's gonna fall apart if you touch it in the wrong places.
Oh,
he
my car
just
was
started.
janky, man.
It's a sad, sad day. Puppy is gone.
I have 15 pounds of boost now, though. 14 and a half, but 15.
Mad
15
mad
for the
claims
internet.
coming from this guy.
Dude, it's
Mihai
good.
comes up and he's like, "Oh yeah, Travis told me he's got full boost," and then I spanked him, and I was like, "What?"
Well, I meant like I didn't have boost cut, but I realized after that.
Full boost, yeah.
You shut it off? I'm gonna change the.
If it can shut off.
Oh,
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, shut off.
imagine it keeps going.
The bucket's almost full, that's all.
You guys want to do something fun?
Yeah.
Let's throw that on the road and light it on fire.
Yeah.
Neighbors
Better
come
yet,
out.
do it in front of the bump, so I have to jump over the fire.
Hell yeah.
Trial by fire.
Is it full? Is it spilling?
Oh,
Oh.
no, it's like.
Half empty.
No, oh, yeah, it's only half.
Oh my good God. Come on.
It looked like it was.
Okay, bye Damien.
Why don't you deal with that, though? Like,
Okay, you know, I can put it in the fucking.
$5 to whoever puts it in their car.
$5? Yo, free gas, man.
I don't know if it's 94. If it was, I would say
It's not 94, I can guarantee you
okay
that.
then.
Smell it. Is it bad?
Take a whiff.
I don't know.
Actually, that smells nice.
Yo, hey man, I could use some fuel.
That doesn't smell like.
Goddamn V8s are expensive.
There you go.
Oh,
Pour it in the truck.
no, these
It's got a
V8.
spider at the bottom of this.
You could pour it in the truck and be fun.
It's a small V8 though. It's a 4.8.
Oh, okay.
Mix gas with oil. No big old.
Don't pour it in yet. Don't pour it in yet. I might want that.
I need to empty it, you cock.
You think he's joking for the vlog, but
No, I'm being dead serious. The Asian in me is screaming right now. You're about to pour away good fuel. I want to know if it's good. Wait till Damien gets back. Can you tell me if that gas in that came out of this car is good?
Is that bucket clean?
No.
Oh,
It's okay.
you think I can run it?
You can't exactly look at it. What, is it empty?
No. Do you think I can run it?
No.
Oh.
All the way.
All right. Is this the grand moment? This is the moment.
I don't know if this is the one because I definitely forgot a ground somewhere.
At the right time.
Yeah, you came right at the right time.
I'd say 10% chance it actually starts. Like, it's not going to start.
Place your bets. Place your bets.
My money's on no.
Hey, wait. Is the,
I'll be the only
is
one. I'll
igniter
say
all
yes.
hooked up?
For the hell of it.
Grounds are on it?
I don't know if that ground's going to work, but the ground's on.
Okay.
Here we go. Do it.
So I'm going to give it some fuel pressure.
Make it do things. Actually, I'm gonna stand back in case that thing blows up. Just kidding.
Over here.
Wait, where? Holy fuck! Just kidding. Wow, man, what is this?
I didn't think it would actually run.
Oh,
It's got a mad tick.
it's stinky.
it sounds good, dude. Wow.
Oh, that turbo sounds good.
Wait.
Give her one more. Oh, get out of my face!
How you feeling?
Get out of my face!
Come here. Are you gonna cry?
Yes!
It has a makeshift exhaust gasket there cut out on its own.
Probably one of the. Oh, it gets smelly in here. Woo!
What do you expect, dude?
You put enough oil in it, right?
I didn't know if I filled it up all the way.
He wants to double
No,
check
there's
that.
oil in it.
Bruh! I don't care if there's oil. Is there enough oil?
Yeah, I just have to
Shut it off!
Just
Shut it off! Shut it off!
Good, there we go.
I mean, that would make sense why it's ticking.
No, there's enough oil in it.
Double
I'm pretty
check.
sure- yeah,
Someone
double
check the oil. Check the oil.
Double check. Why didn't we check this before? You know what? We should just.
No, there was. I knew there was enough oil.
Where's the dipstick on this?
Over on this side.
Left.
Pull it.
Holy shit.
Check the level.
You gotta wipe it.
Wipe it.
Wipe it. So here we are with Jack. His motor's now running, but we didn't check the oil, and now he's a little
Oh,
worried.
yeah.
A little low, huh? Oh, Jack.
Should probably top that up. A little bit. No. It's probably top it up.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Oh, free hand. Here we go. You're gonna miss. No pressure.
Better not. He was like oil
pressure.
guy for like 2 years.
That's why we're making fun of him right now.
And he didn't check the oil, so.
That is true.
First time Jack's starting his car, too.
Watch it blow up. No, just
Send
kidding.
it.
Jokes. Knock on wood.
Chain pressure.
You're fine, dude. It's not even
It's
running.
already got fuel.
It's good now.
They sound so weird when they
Oh, there we go.
The ticks sound the exhaust.
That's not exhaust. That sounds like it's coming from like up on this side.
It's actually okay though. It's not bad.
It's not as bad anymore. Here's some gas.
Is that bucket of fuel still under the car? Get the fuel under the car!
Just leave it on. It's fine. Okay.
God damn it, Jack!
Bucket of fuel.
Yeah, fuck it.
Back.
Finally gets it to start.
Hey, you know what? Just throw it on the engine. It's fine. Oh my goodness.
No big deal, guys.
We could have just died.
Yeah, finally gets the car running, burns it down.
Oh.
That's a full thing.
Hey, I want that in my truck, man. Seriously.
It's gonna have to overflow.
Wow, I'm shocked.
As am I.
Okay, so very successful day. I think we're probably donezo. Steven did all the filming today, so that was helpful. So yeah, Jack's car is now running, surprisingly. None of us expected it. I'm pretty sure Steven got that on camera, that everybody's like, nope, it's not gonna run.
I said yes.
50-50. Well, actually, no, it's
And you know what?
Damien, how you feeling?
I put another box on the road, so.
I hope my car isn't the original box.
No, Duke's it. Definitely Duke.
If anyone ever. No, you'd have to like find it, but there's a video of a box and the fuel pump power wasn't working, and like we needed to have it sold within like a few hours.
Oh,
so
is this the one Aaron Glendon owns now?
Yeah. So we ran the power wire from the sub wiring to under the rust hole in the floor, and then I connected a wire from there to a switch, and that switched to the fuel pump, and that was the fuel pump wiring. I had like literally 20 minutes.
That's shiesty.
Yeah, that was the worst. It wasn't me though.
Nope. It wasn't me, but I did all this stuff, but it wasn't me. My car is now tuned to 14 and a half pounds of boost. It's a little bit faster, but I want more. It spools so late. That's what bothers me.
What does it spool at?
Like 45. What? That would make it worse because the turbo would be bigger, stupid. As per usual, thank you for watching. Thank you, Steven, for doing like all of the filming.
Don't forget to
I
like.
think Brandon filmed a bit too.
Okay, don't forget to like.
Wait. What is
Comment.
Akira's Instagram?
What is it?
Subscribe.
Oh yeah.
Subscribe and share.
Follow.
Hey, shout out Akira's Instagram.
Focus. Follow for Mad Puppy Shenanigans.
Okay, go follow that Instagram because puppy. But yeah, so yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share it. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.